Support and resistance levels are important points in time where the forces of supply and demand meet. These support and resistance levels are seen by technical analysts as crucial when determining market psychology and supply and demand. When these support or resistance levels are broken, the supply and demand forces that created these levels are assumed to have moved, in which case new levels of support and resistance will likely be established. Let's check support first. Support is the level at which demand is strong enough to stop the stock from falling any further. In the image above, you can see that each time the price reaches the support level, it has difficulty penetrating that level. The rationale is that as the price drops and approaches support, buyers, demand, become more inclined to buy and sellers, supply, become less willing to sell. Let's talk also about resistance. Resistance is the level at which supply is strong enough to stop the stock from moving higher. In the image above, you can see that each time the price reaches the resistance level, it has a hard time moving higher. The rationale is that as the price rises and approaches resistance, sellers, supply, become more inclined to sell and buyers, demand, become less willing to buy. Now, how to use our automatic detection of support and resistance. You can find this automatic function in settings of our trading suite at the bottom of inputs. Just click on Show Support and Resistance. Support is in green color when resistance is in red color. Now to the chart. Remember, often the support later turns in resistance and vice versa, which makes is normally a reliable signal. That's it for this one. Check also other videos. See you until next time.